Eh? Which money? Come, young man. Emeka, you hear me? Instead of make my money die for Hazard, make somebody die. Make somebody die. I will call you back. What's up, beer? You look so fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
Without me spending much time, you know this is Lagos Highland.
Continue.
We don't talk much.
Alright.
Go straight to the point.
Yeah.
So how do you do it?
50K.
Makagini.
Okay, 50K like.
Talk.
Shake it.
How much?
Okay, see it. Oh, that's 50K.
50.
Yeah, 50K.
I'll give you 5K. You say what?
I don't do 5K.
5K. 5K.
I don't do.
Hello, Emeka.
Without this thing would happen.
Emeka, come. I was talking. Sorry for that distraction.
Thank you. Wait. Turn your back. Let me see. The guy. Come. How they be now? I want to talk to you. How they be now? How far? How they go now? How much?
50K.
50K. I won't buy it now for what now? They done the bag. How far? You don't get anything. Get out, John. Shey na ladder won't buy. Get out.
I want be this.
Customer check that area. I even like your hair.
10K cash. Who is going with me?
Sorry.
You take it, but
for this Nigeria, just so. 10K.
Thank you.
No.
10K no go. 10K no go.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man. This man.
For this.
I will be this one now.
Tonyash, I want seniors.
I don't understand.
There is God.
Carry your 10,000 they go now. 50K now.
Tonyash, I want to see Nyash. How much?
Where is that from?
50K.
50K. 50K na small money now. You need to chill.
You don't bath today.
You need to chill.
Okay, you don't bath today.
I pay in dollar. I pay in dollar.
Come out, so they come out. That's your own.
Bring the dollar, let's see.
I bet they go say with the whip for
You dey fuck your destiny helper.
Now one time I want you to carry a shovel. I bet come on, go see customer beg. This one get money.
Anybody that is going with me, I pay in dollar. Leave all these boys. Fake life.
You fine.
Jesus is Lord. Okay, let's do like this. Okay, calm down. No rush. No rush, calm down. Una dey go with me with $500. All of una dey go with me tonight. Eh? Oh, no, all of una dey go with me. No. $500. Yeah, let's go. Come, make I touch the nyash well.